In this video and case study, we're going to talk about how a nonprofit organization, Bravo Ambulance, uses our software to be able to communicate with their team. Bravo Ambulance is a volunteer ambulance service serving Bay Ridge and Dyker Heights community in Brooklyn, New York City. It is community run and free. This is their welcome screen that they show to their team members. It shows the date, the time, and a welcome to Bravo Volunteer Ambulance Service. And this is their key screen that shows what's going on currently. So it talks about their current tour, which ambulances are in rotation, which are out of service, when the next run is, who the dispatchers are, who the dispatch interns and observers are, who the primary crew is, secondary crew, and the tertiary or for special events crew. Shows which hospitals are open, primary ones, which ones need to be diverted, and which time until which times, and what secondary hospitals might be available. So a lot of information available on a single screen. All of this is taken from a Microsoft Access database and is updated in real time. They also have news for their dispatchers, from the president, from the equipment officer, the training officer, and others. And then they can show news from local news places. And of course, they're able to show the local weather that's happening outside, which is of key importance if you've got rain and snow or things that you're going to have to go through in order to be able to reach a patient in time. For more information about DataPoint and how organizations are using it to be able to work with digital signage and data-driven presentations, visit us at PresentationPoint.com.